Hey everyone! If you're getting the "Aw snap, something went wrong while displaying this web page error" on Google Chrome, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get it working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then go to Manage Apps. Now find and select Google Chrome. On the App Info page, tap Storage. Now here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache, and tap OK to confirm. This removes temporary files that could be causing the error. Don't worry, this won't delete your data or bookmarks. Once that's done, go back to your home screen and try opening Google Chrome again. If the issue is fixed, you're good to go. If you're still seeing the same "Aw snap" error, don't worry, there's another fix. Open the Google Play Store and search for Google Chrome. When Chrome appears, tap Uninstall, then confirm by tapping Uninstall again. Now don't worry, this will not completely remove Chrome from your phone. It simply rolls Chrome back to an older version. After that, you'll see an option to update Chrome. Before updating, tap the three dots in the top right corner and turn off Auto Update. This step is important. Now go back and open Google Chrome, and you should notice the issue is resolved. Many users fix this problem just by reverting Chrome to the older version. You can try updating Chrome again later, but make sure to disable and re-enable Auto Update and check if the error comes back. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Google Chrome "Aw snap" error should be completely fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.